Alright guys, quick fam, I need your help. The last video we only collected 3 new shiny Pokemon. We have so many more to go. I need you to hit like right now on the video. Like this video. Do it. It helps. Also leave a comment. Makes me happy. Alright, let's do the thing. Before you see the video, I need you to like it. Okay, I don't know what that was. Sorry. Is it better than singing? I don't know. Tell me in the comments section. I already told you a little bit about what this video would be in the last video where we opened the Mewtwo and Mew Unified Minds tin. And we opened up 3 of the Hidden Fates tins. We'll be doing the same thing today, except I have 2 Charizards and a Gyarados. When I pre-ordered them, I asked if they would give me 2 of each. First off, this tin looks amazing. I need to figure out something to use this for. I asked for 2 of each, and that just didn't happen. Our pulls in the last episode were... we got 3 shinies. New shinies. We also got a duplicate of a full art that we definitely didn't need. So let's see what we get out of here. It comes with a Lost Thunder. Yeah, Evolutions and 2 Unified Minds. I'm still looking for a Rainbow Rare of Umbreon and Espeon. Alright, let's check this out. These alternate art full arts are absolutely killing it. We got Giratina and Garchomp. Oh, man. That's going in a penny sleeve, too. I can't wait to send off my next PSA submission, guys. I have so many things to send in. All right, that goes over here. Here is your code card for this Unified Minds tin. I'm going to put this off to the side. That is amazing art on the tin, for the record. Whew. Okay, last time I started with Unified Minds. So I'll go Unified Minds, Lost Thunder, Unified Minds, and then Evolutions. Hopefully our pulls are better than last time, man. I feel like my pulls have been absolute booty butter. Like straight up butter made from booties. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. Don't think about that too much. Was that dark? That's dark. Alright, that's a good sign. That means we're going to get the Umbreon. I can smell it and taste it. I can also feel it. Alright, can you look at LGM? We got ourselves a U-turn board. We got a Caracosta Pikachu. A Pidoof. Most forgettable bird Pokemon to me. We got Poipole. Poor Pidoof, I'm sorry. We got a Numel. Axew, the reverse, is a Dwebble. Looking up at that Moltres, and the rare. Ooh, I kind of like this Alolan Raichu. In the last video, I commented on how we got a Cantonian Raichu tin, and it's because they're trying to get us to stop loving Alolan Raichu. I will never stop loving Alolan Raichu, okay? You got it? All right, Lost Thunder. What do we got? Umbreon? Umbreon. Can we? I'm so bad at opening these things with my hands. I don't know why. Aren't these cards for children? Maybe I'm too old to open them now. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's steel. Don't you dare say metal. All right. We got ourselves... Ooh. I love Stanler. That's good art. We got Morty. Ooh, what are you talking about, Morty? We're opening some cards. We got a Carbink. Hoppip. Oh, holy crap. It's a Picky Peck. Got a Slugma. Ooh, Poplio. Litleo. Oh, it's an Eevee. Wow. Wow, man. That's great. And the rare. Oh, we got an Ampharos. That's kind of cool. Yeah. Alright, Unified Minds. That's kind of a cool Ampharos. Like, that wasn't even sarcasm. I actually really like that. Some of these cards need more credit, but they're not full art. So people are like, nah, I don't like it. There's your code card. 1, 2, 3. What pack is this? Flip over the energy. Fairy. Alright, I'm very certain this is going to be a good pack. I can feel it. We got Dragonair. Gosh. The art is amazing. Delmise! Got a Heracross. Execute. Murkrow. Dude, the art in this set. Snover. We got a Dratini. A Fungus. We got a Gibble. And the rare. Ooh, guard. Is this my... Okay. Look at that. We're ready to play the deck now, okay? Are you ready? Are you ready? I've pulled that card like 19 times. It's okay. I can be excited. It's exciting. I can play that for whenever I decide to Pokemon. There's your code card. 1, 2, 3. There's no energy. Flip it around. Pass it around. We got a Maintenance. Haunter. Shout out to Jet. We got a Flying Pikachu. We got a Caterpie. Poliwag. Pikachu. Ponyta. We got a Nidoran and a reverse Slowbro Spiritling. The rare is a Drug Trio. Drug Trio is the Dugtrio you meet in an alley who's trying to sell you some hard drugs. And you should avoid him at all costs, children. All right. Let's start with a Hidden Fates Charizard, go to the Gyarados, and then we go to a second Charizard. I need you guys. Okay, so for seriousies, comment section. Tell me how many shinies we're gonna pull in today's video. Last time we ended up with 4. I'm gonna aim for more full arts. I really need to step up my game. There is your code card for the Hidden Fates tin. There's the Charizard, which looks really good, but what Charizard doesn't look really good? The Pokemon Company loves to make Charizard look good, okay? It's like their job. We got 4 packs, 1 of each. Mewtwo. Gimme full art Charizard. That's all I want. I actually really want Noivern. I've said that probably 9,000 times. Can't open packs without using my mouth for some reason. We got ourselves a Psyduck. All right, there's your code card. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's water. All right. Chansey, what do you got for me? You got a Brock. You got a Giovanni. You got a Psyduck. A Pika. A Magikarp. Coughing. Clefairy. The reverse. Ooh, shiny Scyther. Good start. And the rare is a Lapras. All right, all right, all right. That's going into a penny sleeve, baby. Penny sleeve time. Gosh, I freaking love shiny Pokemon. You're probably saying, Quick, that doesn't look like a shiny. Look at his neck. Look at his joints. They're pink. Okay? Oh, okay. Calm down, camera. It's going to be okay. I'm not going to screw around pretending like I can open packs with my hands anymore, okay, guys? There is your code card. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's Psychic. It's not Poison. It's not Ghost. Pokemon Center Lady. Sabrina's suggestion. We got a Scyther. Weird. Pikachu. Jigglypuff. We got an Ekans. Coughing. Cubone. The reverse. Ooh, Turtonator. Full art. Let's go. And the rare is Bill's Analysis. Get over there. This is much better than the last tin opening already. Turtonator. Get over here, baby. All right, 2 shinies. Last video made me think that this wouldn't be a good time. But who knows? There's still time to let me down. Here is your code card. Hope you enjoy. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's fighting. It's not ground, and it's not rock. We got Brock's Grit. We got ourselves a Farfetch'd, a Graveler, Caterpie, Ekans, Charmander, a card we'll never see, Giovanni's Exile, and Erica's Hospitality. All right, hold on. This is getting out of hand. What was that card we missed? Oh my gosh, it's a Slowpoke, and you'll never see it in full resolution. Mew. What have you got for me, Mew? These are sealed with, like, actual concrete. There's your code card. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's steel. All right, what do we got? You know, this pack makes me so happy, but at the same time, makes me so freaking sad. Ekans, why? I love you, but come on. And the rare. Oh. We haven't pulled that. I didn't even know there was a Holo Eevee in this pack. Okay. Well, Gyarados is up next. I'm not even mad. That's a cool... It's cool that there's a regular Holo Eevee in this set. How did I not know that? Okay. I'm super jealous because my buddy, Ian, opened up a couple of tins and got 2 Charizards, okay? This is where our luck turns around. This is the Charizard tin. Well, I mean, Gyarados is the tin, but, like, this is the tin with the Charizard. There's your code card. Hope you enjoy. All right, 4 packs. Don't worry, I recycle. Okay, right next to the microphone. That's good. I recycle, okay? Charizard. Start strong. Open with teeth, because hard to open with hands. Here's your code card. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's fire. This pack's gonna be fire. We got Giovanni's Exile, Lieutenant Surge's Strategy, Koga's Trap. We got a Pikachu, a Clefairy, Cubone, Jiggly. The reverse is behind this Eevee, and it's Blaine's Last Stand and the rare. Oh, Pinsir GX. Oh my goodness. I haven't pulled 19 of those. Get over there, Pinsir. You're not shiny. Next, shiny. Here goes. Code card. Enjoy that blurriness. Hello. The Quick fam, they need codes, please. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's grass. That's a grass energy, fam. All right, Chansey. We got a Graveler. We have this entire set of commons memorized. I don't know why. I still go through them like there's going to be something cool. Oh, shiny Altaria. How are you doing, girl? I think we've pulled our Altaria. There's a holo Jesse James. That's pretty cool. I need a Swablu. But luckily, my buddy Ian has been opening these. And we're going to compare and swap what needs to be swapped. Because we're both trying to get full set of shinies. So, what is that? 3 shinies so far? Next pack. Next pack. Charizard right here. Right behind this Clefairy. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's fighting. Or Noivern. Come on, Noivern. Noivern, let's go, Noivern. Oh my gosh, totally new cards. Would you look at this? Whoa! Why is this set of commons so small? Why? Ugh! Wait. Ugh! Dang it, Jigglypuff. And the rare. Clefable, picking your nose? Scratching your head. Close enough. Alright, Mewtwo. Save us. Oh my Lanza. They really are just made out of pure adamantium. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. Steel, non-metal. Get it right. All right, Magmar. We got ourselves a Farfetch'd. Brock's Pewter City Gym. Cubone, bone. Geodude. Slowpoke. It was refreshing to open some Unified Minds. Jigglypuff and the reverse. Kangaskhan and the rare. Oh, man. Oh, man, Rick. All right, last 10. I can't even find these packs anymore. So, if we don't get our Choizoid, our Charizard or Noivern, I'm going to be sad. So, hit me with that good luck. It would be greatly appreciated. I'm superstitious when it comes to opening packs. There's a Charizard you've already seen. Here's a code card you haven't. Enjoy that. Recycling. 4 new packs. That's a 4 new whole worlds of opportunity. Mew, we're going to start with you. I believe in you, Mew. I trust. So how many shinies are we at? 1, 2, 3? We could do more. I believe in us. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's steel. It's steel. All right, we got a Koga. Brock. Misty. Excuse me. A burp. Clefairy. Magikarp. Ekans. Voltorb. Geodude. Golem. And the rare Butterfree. Why is life so cruel? All right, what do we got in here? So, next episode, Kwikpanik buys cards he can't pull on eBay. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's psychic. All right, what are you doing, Pokemon Center lady? How you doing? Metapod. You know, I can pull the heck out of a full art Buzzwole, though. Let me tell you about that. Reverse Psyduck Y. Ooh, full art Jesse James. I've gotten a couple of these. This is pretty cool. I love the card art, and I should be really happy about this. However, we're looking for shiny Pokemon. Okay? All right? Capiche? Shiny in this pack. Please, shiny in this pack. There's your code card. Hope you enjoy. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's grass. That's a grass energy. All right. Magmar, Scyther, Broxgrit, Eevee, Caterpie, Paris, Ekans. Okay, there's the letdown. Let's skip right to it. All right, this is the last pack. I really appreciate everybody's support. I'm praying that this last pack is just packing the heat. So far, before we get into it, what we got 3 shinies, Altaria, Turtonator, and Scyther. All right, and then we got the full art Jesse and James, which is really good. So, wish me luck. Last one, and then we're gonna start getting Elite Trainer boxes and the Pokeball collections, and there's one massive collection. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's water. Are you ready? All right. Leave a like on the video if you enjoyed the content. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Smash bell something. I don't know. What do YouTubers say these days? Follow me on Twitch. I like that one. Charmeleon. We got a Geodude. Pikachu. I didn't even know where the reverse is. I wasn't counting. We're on a crazy train. Woo! We got a shiny Frogadier. And the rare is Blaine's Last Stand. So we ended on a shiny. I can't even be mad. Look at that. Well, there's more Hidden Fates content that's going to be coming your way. It's bound to, because I have not pulled all the shinies I need. So this is our haul from today. I've gotten a couple new shinies, so that's good. But that's all I've got for today. Hope you guys have an awesome day. Later.